Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a set of Hoffman boots that we've ordered and got in the mail. Hoffman has created a boot that's lasted a long time for me, and as a hunter I've always looked for a set of boots that could kind of cross between the work life that I have and what I enjoy in my spare time. So with the Hoffman Classic 8-inch, we'll be unboxing today. We'll take a look at what features this boot has to offer and whether or not this would be a good purchase for you to make. We'll go ahead and begin the unboxing now and see what we've got. So the first thing I notice is this boot doesn't seem quite as heavy as the other Lineman boots that I have, which I hope to be hope that that'll be a good thing. So right out of the box, let's set this down, and you'll notice you're given a couple of booklets here: the Hoffman Boots Discover Your World and Hoffman Boots Built to Climb. I imagine these are just brochures, looks like, with different boots, Lineman boots. Right there's the 8-inch Classic. Composite toe available. And that is the version that we've got in our package today. This boot here is the composite toe. It's also EH rated. If that's a requirement, that's your job. So here's our boot, and we'll dive in and take a closer look. Okay, so one of the first things I notice about this boot right off the bat, if we started at the top and work our way down, this padding that the boot offers here is very well made. Seems like there's a lot of cushion there, and it don't seem like we'll have any issues with it rubbing around our heel or around the back of our leg or on our shin here. Also, this piece right here that's stitched features the same softness, so I think as the boot gets laced up, that'll probably be very comfortable as we break the boot in. Now, I notice that there is double stitching around all of these parts here, and looks as though there is some triple stitching right here around the back of the heel plate. I've never had any issue with separation in any of the Hoffman boots that I've owned. I've owned a couple sets of the Powerline boots and also a set of the pole climber boots. That's one of the reasons that I return to Hoffman year after year, is just because of the build quality that they offer. Now, this boot also features a sympathetic membrane which will waterproof the boot and also offer breathability. So hopefully as time goes on, that membrane won't break down. We'll let you know as we wear these boots and break them in. One of the key features that I like about this boot, along with many of the mountaineering style boots, is the rubber rand that goes around the bottom of the boot, just for added protection against rocks, trees, imagine even the pole as we climb. This leather vamp around the bottom, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but inside here there is no seam. This is a one-piece leather vamp that goes around the foot area, so there's no seams, no stitching at all from here down, so there'll be no place for anything to break down, any area for the water to get in or anything like that. That's another design that I really like. The eyelets here, one of the big issues that I've had with Lineman boots is my boot laces. And I don't know if that's just from burrs in the eyelets of many of the other boots, but looks like these are well designed and have some mobility to them. So hopefully this will help to extend the life of our boot laces as time goes on. The sole is a Vibram sole. It is a one-piece, and it features a taller heel, which will provide you exactly what you're looking for your gaffs, or even spending some time on some ladders. That should provide you everything that you need to meet any requirements that your company might have. I don't know the exact height of that. Looks like it could be somewhere around an inch. That's just me guessing. So now we've mentioned all that. Let's see, the sole itself also, it features the dual shank system that Hoffman is well known for. And I'll just tell you, any of the boots that I've had from Hoffman, the time that I spend on the poles, I've not experienced any foot fatigue, I guess you'd call it, as I have with other boots. So if you're looking for more of a hiking style boot that features the dual shank system, this right here might be an option for you. Also, let's take a quick look at inside the boot. Let's see what kind of insole we get, if I can get it out. Man, that sucker's really down in there. One of the things I've noticed with a lot of boots, you'll get a set of boots and then you'll go and you'll buy you some other brand of insole, but it looks like the insoles here is built really well and will allow for some breathability also. Seems very sturdy. And one thing that's mentioned in the description of this boot is the midsole and how that it offers lateral stability also to your foot. So it's not just the bending of your foot this way, which I can't even, that is a stiff boot. It's also providing you stability laterally. So I think that's going to come in handy when you're walking around these ridges, walking around these hillsides, being able to provide your feet the support that you need to get the job done. All right, guys, that's the information that we've got for you today. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, be sure to leave those in the comments below. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff if you want to. We appreciate you and hope everyone has a great day.